we're going to start talking about functions. So we have talk about a function. The first thing I want to know is, what is the purpose of a graph? Well, think about it. The purpose of the graph is to demonstrate more clearly a relationship between two variables. Now, okay, so a graph is a picture. We also can look at our relationship as a table or as a mapping or as an equation. But how do I know if a relationship is a function? Basically, we say for each x, only one y. So one example might be if I give you some points. I have a relationship of 1, 2, 2, 4, 0, 3. This is a function because the x's are not repeated. Or I could have a mapping. I can have my input and I can have my output. So if I have 1, 2, 3 here, 3, 5, 9 here, this is a function. However, if I was to add another mapping here from 3 to 9, it no longer is a function because I have two mappings coming out of the 3. So that's not a function once I add that. So only one x for only one y. Now, a great way to do a test would be what we call the vertical line test. What we do is that if we can draw a vertical line and it only crosses the graph once, anywhere we draw a vertical line, then I know it's a function. If it crosses more than once, it is not a function. So if I look at some examples, if I draw the vertical line test here, not a function. It crosses two places. What about here? Not a function. It crosses in more than one place. But this one is a function because no matter where I draw the vertical line, it only crosses once. So that's a good way to test it if you have a graph.